I'm April Kloxin, and my lab operates as this interface between engineering and materials and biology, trying to design systems that let us understand some of the complex biology of the human body, and then to design new therapies for helping to improve human health. We're interested in having cells in an environment like what they see in the body. So that environment's squishy, like if you squish your hand, it's sort of that similar stiffness. So we're trying to then make systems that let us put cells into that squishy type material that will let us then understand the more complex processes they do better. So we grow cells in the laboratory, and then we translate those along with building blocks for making the material into the chamber. The printhead then is going to take the building blocks, mix them with cells, mix them together, and then using technology like you have in the inkjet printer in your house to create a very thin but three-dimensional environment that we can then now use for looking at what cells are doing over time in response to different stimuli that we may give them or in response to different drugs, and then to try to find ways to direct what they do. Those building blocks are based on polymers like you'd find in some of your cosmetic products. And then also on short mimics of more complex proteins from your body. And so that not only makes a squishy environment, but gives us control of how stiff it is and gives us control of the composition in a way that lets us mimic different tissues in the body. So it's aspects of cell biology, aspects then of engineering where we think about how things change over time and how things change in space, right? And how we can describe that. And aspects of materials and really the design of those building blocks and then the application of them for making cool materials.